So we're told that the production cost of a batch of rolls was $300. So that's the cost. And on that day, sold 4/5 of the rolls. So I'm going to call N the total number of rolls produced. So 4/5 N, not 4/5 of fifth, but 4/5 of N were sold each at a price that was 50% greater than the average production cost per roll. So average production cost roll would be total cost divided by the number of rolls. So that's the average cost production, which means each one was sold at a price that was 50% greater. So that would be 1.5 times 300 over N. So that's the cost of the selling price of each roll, which means that the revenue from this would be the cost of each roll times the number of rolls. So that's the revenue. And then same thing for the next day, we have the remaining rolls, which is 1/5 of N. And these were sold at 20% less than the price of the day before. So 20% less would be 80% of that. So 0.8 times 1.5 times 300 over N. Again, the revenue would be this price times the amount. And you'll see the N drops out. I just have to simplify this. This is 0.3. And that's going to be 0.24 times 300. So here the revenue would be $72. I need to do the same thing here. N drops out. That's 0.3. Knock out a decimal, take out a 0 here. That's 90 times 4, or $360. So the total revenue is $432. The cost of production was $300. So the profit is $432 minus $300, which is $132. I just want to point out when they say what was the bakery's profit on this batch of rolls, they're referring to the entire batch. At first I thought maybe the batch sold the second day. That's not the case, because they were only looking for the entire. So the answer is 132, choice C.